Ẹ káàsán gbogbo ọmọ Nàìjíríà nílé lóko lẹ́yìn odi. Good afternoon, Nigerians, home and abroad. Good afternoon. My name is Funmilayo Apampa Adepegba. I'm bringing you the second part of burial. I've told you burial is the last respect we give to the dead. Yes, the last respect we give to the dead to cover his shame. Now, today I'm treating the burial of the elderly one. Now, who is the elderly one? The aged ones that passed on within the age of 70 and above. Now, when an elderly one dies, we have steps we do follow in Yoruba land. The first step, they will pick the Baba Isenko, the man who will direct the activities of the burial, followed by announcements. They will let everyone know that Baba so is dead. They will tell his friends, his neighbors, everyone. Now, after this, the next step is digging the grave. Among the Yorubas in Yoruba land, it is the in-laws that do dig the grave. Yes, it is the in-laws that do dig the grave. Among the Yorubas, before they start digging the grave, the first child of the dead one will go to the spot, get a hoe and pack some sand. So also his siblings will do the same thing. When the in-laws has dug the hole up to 6 feet, the children of the deceased will go down there, pack some sand too. The first child will pack, followed by his siblings. What do we use this sand for? This sand is meant for swearing. When they suspect somebody killed the man, they will get a half glass of water, a handful of sand. They will mix it in the half glass of water, give it to the suspect to drink. After a few days, the suspect will die. Let me tell you, it's a wrong thing to do. Whether it's the suspect or not, if anyone should drink a handful of sand in a glass of water, that person will pass on. The in-laws will dig the grave up to 6 feet. Sometimes the youths in the compound, they do support the in-laws to dig the grave up to 6 feet. In Yoruba land, we dig the grave 6 feet. After digging the grave, the next step is bathing the dead. In Yoruba land, we use soap, warm water, and sponge to bathe the dead. If it's a man, they will barb his hair for him. And if it's a woman, they will braid her hair for her. After bathing, they will put on nice clothes on the corpse. Yes. Then the next step is lying in state. Lying in state takes place, it can take place within his sitting room or his compound. They will lay him for the last time in his compound for everyone to come and see. Both young, old, everyone within the town, they will come and see and give him his last respect. Even if it's a woman, they will give her last respect. That is lying in state in Yoruba land. The next step is wrapping the dead. In Yoruba land, we use 4 yards of clothes to wrap the dead. 4 yards of white clothes. They will wrap the dead up and down and tie it. Yes. The next step is burial. Burial among the Yorubas is done by the youths. The youths in the compound will carry the corpse to the burial ground. The first child of the dead man or the dead woman will pick up a cockerel or a hen. They will be plucking the feathers left, right, front, back. They are doing this to pave the way for the dead so that the dead can ascend heaven. It is believed that by doing this, the dead will ascend heaven easily. Now, after the burial, when they have given dust to dust, ashes to ashes, everyone will come on. Those who followed the corpse to the burial ground, by the time they get back home, they will kill this cockerel, cook it, and eat. They must all eat out of this cockerel. That's the culture. Because the Yorubas believe that adìyẹ ìrànà ni kì í ṣohun àjẹgbé. When You have eaten somebody's cockerel during his burial. One day when you two die,